Welcome back to our channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 electric scooters and accessories that combine power, range, and convenience. Whether you're after long-distance rides, off-road adventures, or just a daily city commute, we've got something here for you. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Voltride G 5.0 Electric Scooter. This compact and foldable scooter is built for everyday commuters. With a 350-watt motor, it reaches speeds up to 19 miles per hour and offers a solid 21-mile range on a single charge. The 8.5-inch tires provide a smooth ride on city streets, while the foldable design makes it perfect for storage and portability. If you're looking for a reliable daily scooter that balances speed, range, and affordability, the G 5.0 is a smart choice. Number 2. Arwibon Beast Dual Motor Scooter for riders who demand maximum power. The Arwibon delivers a massive 5,600 watts across dual motors. With a top speed of 46 miles per hour and a 60 volts to 7Ah battery, this beast is built for serious performance. The 11-inch off-road tires and optional seat make it comfortable even on rough terrain. It folds for transport, but on the road, it's pure adrenaline. Perfect for thrill-seekers and long-distance adventurers. Number 3. Swift Glide Pro 900W Scooter. Next up is a scooter that balances power and range. With a 900-watt peak motor, it can hit speeds up to 31 miles per hour. The 48 volts 13Ah lithium battery provides extended ride time, while the dual disc brakes ensure safety at higher speeds. The 11-inch off-road tires make it a versatile option for both city streets and rough paths. If you want a powerful scooter without going too extreme, this one is a great middle ground. Number 4. Foldable 350W Smart Scooter. This foldable and waterproof electric scooter is ideal for city riders. With a 350-watt motor and 10.4 Ah battery, it provides smooth acceleration and reliable performance. The explosion-proof 8.5-inch tires give extra durability, while the compact foldable design makes it easy to carry on public transport or store at home. A smart and practical choice for everyday commuting. Number 5. Adjustable Seat Kit for Xiaomi M365 Pro. Finally, for Xiaomi riders, this adjustable seat attachment is a must. Made with a sturdy aluminum alloy frame, it offers comfort with its shock-absorbing design. The installation is simple and punch-free, meaning you won't damage your scooter. If you own a Xiaomi M365 or M365 Pro, this seat turns your standing scooter into a more versatile ride. That wraps up our list of the top 5 scooters and accessories you should check out right now. Which one fits your style: daily commuter, off-road beast, or city smart ride? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future updates. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.